Welcome to the Tai Chi workshop. In today's practice, we'll be running through a traditional form of Tai Chi, the Yang 8. There are 8 different postures. We'll be starting by moving towards the left. Once we've completed the full 8 postures, we'll then repeat the same, but starting towards the right. I will begin by listening to my verbal instructions, and you can pause the video at any point to rest. There is a second video where I am facing away from you and you would practice looking at my back. That's the more traditional way of practicing. Once you feel confident with the exercises, then I would practice without the volume on, turning it on mute. Okay, let's begin. So starting with feet together and just placing your right hand into a fist, your left palm on top, and your left thumb over the right fist. So this is how we begin the practice traditionally. And bowing to begin, taking your hands by your side. And just begin by taking a nice deep breath in and out. And throughout the practice, don't worry too much about your breathing, but trying to breathe slowly and deeply throughout the practice. So begin by lifting up the left heel, stepping the left foot out to the side. Once you feel the floor, place the left heel down. This is our starting form. And as you breathe in, lifting the hands up in front to shoulder height with the palms facing down, and then push the palms down towards the floor. And as you do so, bending at the knees. Take the right hand out to your right hand side shoulder height with the palm facing up, looking towards the hand, raising the left hand up too. Right hand comes to the head, and then we're pushing this right hand forwards as you bring the left hand in towards the belly. This is repulse monkey. Now taking the left hand out to the side with the palm facing up, look towards the hand, right palm turns up, left hand towards the head, and we're pushing the left hand forwards as the right hand comes in towards the belly. Right hand comes up towards the head, step the left heel in. Step the left heel out. Turn your head towards the left, keeping the knees bent. Brush the left knee with your left hand, palm facing down, as you push the right hand forwards. Sweep the left hand across your body, up towards the head as you step the right foot in. Take the right heel out, and we're brushing the right knee with the right palm as you push the left hand forward. Still keeping those knees in a bow stance. Turning the right foot, hands at chest height, step the left foot in. Left palm comes underneath, right hand on top, as if holding a ball. Step the left heel out, and we're pushing the right hand down as the left hand comes up. This is parting wild horse's mane. Windscreen wiper the hands across. Take the right hand underneath, left palm on top. So we're holding the ball again. Step the right heel out. And we're pushing the left hand down as the right palm comes up. Now we're turning the right foot, lift the left hand up, right hand comes down, left hand down, right hand up, step the left heel out. And we're sweeping towards the right. This is cloud hands. Right hand down, left hand up, sweep towards the left, shifting that weight over to the left side. Left hand down, right hand up, sweeping towards the right, step the left foot in, still sweeping to the right. Right hand down, left hand up, sweep towards the left, step the right foot out. Left hand down, right hand up, sweep towards the right. Right hand down, left hand up, sweep to the left. Push the right hand down, left hand down. Balancing on your left foot now. Either, if you've got good balance, we're going to lift this right knee up with the right hand, all the way up and balance. Or you can place your right toe with your right hand up. Then we swap sides, so right foot, weight bearing through, lift the left hand with the left knee. This is golden cockerel standing on one leg, or alternatively, left hand with the left toe. So coming back down, weight bearing on the left side. So we're crossing at the wrists, bringing our weight onto the left side, and now we're lifting our right foot and we're kicking out 45 degrees to the right as we open our palms wide. Alternatively, you could just place your foot down. Coming back down to the right-hand side, repeat the same to the left. Crossing the hands at the wrist, bring the weight onto the right, kicking out towards your left. Open the palms wide, or placing the toe down in front of you. Push the hands down, resting the toe on the floor. We're making a ball with the hands again. Left hand on top, right hand underneath. Step the right heel out. We're pushing the left hand down as we present the right forearm. Then bring the left hand up towards the right, sweeping the hands down, round. And then we're going to grasp the sparrow's tail with the hands, rock back on the right heel, hands come down to the belly, and then we're pushing back up towards the head height. Turning on the right foot, we're going to make that ball with the hands, right hand on top, left hand underneath. So we're stepping the left heel out, push the right palm down as you present the left forearm. Sweep the right hand up towards the left. So we're holding a ball with the hands. Hands come down, round, grasp the sparrow's tail, pull back. So we're rocking back on the left heel, hands down to the belly. We're pushing up to that top corner there. We're now lunging towards the right hand side. So bending the right knee, turning the right foot in, and pull it in towards you now. Crossing the hands underneath you, palms facing up. So this is cross hands. As you breathe in, bringing the hands up to shoulder height, then we're turning the palms down, out to shoulder height, and then pushing all the way back down, and then bringing the left foot in. So that's all the way to the left. We're going to repeat the practice now towards the right. Starting with your feet together, lifting your right heel, step out towards the right, place the right foot down, right heel down. Inhale, raising the hands up, and then pushing down with the palms bending at the knees. Left hand comes out to the side, palm facing up, right hand as well. Bend the left elbow, push the left hand forwards, right hand into the belly. Right hand out to the side, left palm up, right hand to the head, face forwards, push the right hand forwards, left hand into the belly. So that's repulse monkey. Bring the left hand up towards the head, step the right foot in, step the right foot out, brush the right knee with your right palm facing down, push the left palm forwards. Turn on the right foot, bring the right palm up and across, and we're doing the same to the opposite side. So bending at the knees, brush the left knee with the left palm, push the right hand forwards. Hands to chest height as we turn round. Left hand on top, right hand underneath, holding the ball. Step the right heel out, push the left hand down, right palm comes up, parting wild horse's mane. Windscreen wiper the hands across, making a ball, right hand on top, left hand underneath. Push the right hand down as you bring the left palm up, parting wild horse's mane. Turn the left foot, bring the left hand down, right hand up, step the right foot out, right hand down, left hand up, sweep to the left, so cloud hands. Left hand down, right hand up, sweep to the right. Right hand down, left hand up, sweep to the left, bring the right foot in. Left hand down, right hand up, step the left foot out as you sweep to the right. Right hand down, sweep to the left. Left hand down, sweep to the right. Push down with the left, down with the right. So we're going to stand on the right leg for golden cockerel, standing on one leg. Lifting up the left hand with the left knee, or you're starting with the toe on the floor. Bring that left hand down with the foot. Bring the weight onto the left, lift the right knee with the right hand, or you start with the right foot down. Push down with the right hand. Crossing the hands, bring the weight to the right, and we're going to kick to the left with the arms open wide. Push down. Do the same on the opposite side. Weight bar on the left, cross the hands, kicking 45 degrees to the right, open the arms wide. Place the right toe down. Making a ball with the hands, left hand on top, right hand underneath. Push the right hand down, present the left forearm. Bring the right hand up to the left. I'm going to sweep down, round, grasp the sparrow's tail, rock back, hands down to the belly, push up to the head height. Make a ball with the hands, left hand on top, right hand underneath. Present the right forearm, press the left hand down, left hand up to right. Down, round, grasp the sparrow's tail, rock back, hands down to belly, push up. Lunge to the left. Turn your left foot in, bring it down to meet the right. Crossing the hands, palms facing up. Bring the hands all the way up, palms facing down. Spread out, push down. Bringing the right foot to meet the left. Right hand in a fist, left hand on top, left thumb over the fist. Bow to finish. Thank you for joining me in today's Young Gate Tai Chi workshop.